Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Dart guys with any of the following three engines, 1.4, 2.0 or 2.4 guys, and you're trying to figure out if you have a timing chain or timing belt, stay with us guys, we'll explain all that about all three different engines. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car guys, okay, and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can guys, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. As you can see, we got the engine out, so we can make so many videos guys fixing that engine. This is a 2.4, but we have a 1.4 and 2.0 on the way coming, and we'll explain about those as well. So let's start on it now. So we will explain first about 2.4, then we'll explain about 2.0 and then 1.4 engine. All these engines guys are developed by Chrysler, Dodge and Fiat together, so we can find them on multiple vehicles guys. 2.4 it's on Dodge Dart, but could be found Jeep Renegade, Compass, Jeep Cherokee, Fiat 500X, quite a few vehicles guys. So we'll go ahead and remove the cover now, okay? Let's pull that engine cover out. We remove the timing cover guys right here, and we want to show you the 2.4 engine guys. This is a timing chain engine, and you have two timing chains, okay, one right here and one guys, okay, okay, you can see one will be going down there. So you have two chains, very complicated engine with those variable intake valves. Okay, you have 4 solenoids that control the timing and all that stuff on the intake side, so it's very complicated engine guys. This is a timing chain engine. Now some people say, should I replace the timing chain or not, but you guys, I definitely recommend to replace them, and I definitely recommend to replace timing chain tensioners. Those are the first things that fail guys. Chain not so often, but tensioners they do fail because those are hydraulic tensioners, and we have a video that explains the symptoms of a bad tensioner and how it can ruin your engine. Now the 2.0 engine guys, 2.0, it's again a timing chain engine guys, 2.0. And a 1.4 turbo engine guys, okay, it's going to be a timing belt engine. If you guys need to buy timing chain, timing belt, depending which one you have, which engine you have guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, tensioners and all that stuff guys. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos, and see you guys next time.